Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term called value chain. It is a rough term for the supply chain. Many people make the distinction when examining a chain for only those activities that actually add value or do not add value to the products as they move from raw material through the use by ultimate consumer. The idea of a value chain is based on the process view of organizations, the idea of seeing organizations as a system made up of subsystems, each with inputs, then transformation processes, and finally the outputs. The inputs, transformation processes, and outputs involve the acquisition and consumption of resources, money, labor, material, equipment, building, land, etc. Example, a step that as an inventory that is sitting idle is seen as a non-value added and subject to analysis for change and improvement. Generally, Lean and JIT looks into these kind of value chain because customer is only willing to pay for the activity which are value added and is not ready to pay any other non-value added activity. So non-value added activity can be termed as a waste, and we have to see how we can minimize or eliminate such of the activities so that the entire chain becomes the value chain. Thanks for watching. Bye.